So I'm back at Central Philippine University. Yeah, it's so hot. I have my mini fan, compounded by the fact I'm wearing a really thick jacket, denim jacket at that. So I'm on my way to see Dr. Mirna. I'm walking along, but it changed a lot. The elementary, this part is where the elementary school is. Now they have this Jose Santos multi-purpose hall over here, which wasn't here before. There, that building, Anna Johnson, that's the Johnson Hall. That's where we take our courses in religion. And the Dr. Mirna is there. I spy with my two eyes. Mirna! Kita mo gid lang ne. Ha? Which way? Oh, sige na, you go. So here, they're constructing something there. It's gonna be called as the International Friendship Building. It's gonna be like a hostel where they will house students coming from abroad, like from China or Korea, who will come here for their final year for their graduate school, like master's or PhD, because they have to be here for those. And so that is where they will be staying. And they just recently did the foundation, I was told, so it will take some more months to finish this up, but I was told that they will be hurrying up the building of this one. So I'm back at the campus. This one was the alumni hall. We had classes here as well before when I was still studying. And then that's the Ruslund. The Ruslund is another hostel which was already here during the time when I was teaching here. So it's like a hostel as well for the guests of the university. So if there are conferences and things like that, or meeting or PASCO accreditation, that's where they will house the guests. So I'm here, back here. I used to entertain a lot of guests when I was here because I was a member of a lot of university committees. So usually I'm in charge of taking care of our guests. So here, and then there's a mansion over there. Bukit Balat man. Kaya na ba ni Lucy?
What is the reply?
Ari Kemesa. What do you call this again? Festive Walk? Festive Mall?
Ano na siya? Camera?
Yeah!
Oh, really?
And we're here! Pwede ka lang daw sa mga vlog ko, how?
Galang.
Amo na niya ginagamit.
I think just your cellphone, kung magkabong ka balaga, amo na kayo ginagamit.
Ano na?
Kaya kabuta ang cellphone ko sa mga video. So I decided to get a different cam for video.
Friday.
Every Wednesday. It's a Friday.
Wala ka mo sa Friday.
Ganun lang. Kay
Sa Sabbath, bawal lang sa
kay dapat you have to eat somewhere where you can eat something. Hindi siya pwede sa seafoods, sa mga salmon, sa mga meat. Hindi lang, libot-libot na lang pa. Total, wala pa si Lucy. We have to look at the menu.
buy one, get one.
Tell Lucy na, ari na lang to sa summer house. Wow, we're in the summer house. This is the first time I'm dining in this summer house. But I do miss going to that summer house. Oo, sa lapit sa Amigo. So, every time we celebrate, we go there.
Yeah.
pinakalas ko kadto to, ako na despedida, remember mo? From USA to Africa. Tapos, tamo. Ay, kadto ka. Kadto pa kadto ko Africa. Nga despedida
Sa
ko.
Babaw, kita lang ka.
Oo. I think that was the last time I was in summer house. Ang nakaka-frustration.
Yan, makikita ka. Bakit sumamos ako hindi? Mapa-award na lang po. Tatang ako mag-apo na bakal. Ako mag-apo na bayan.
Kaya,
O, diba?
mami mo ka na lang sa iyong mga sarili nga ceremony. Awarding ceremony for myself. Hello. We will have photo time.
Ang hototay nyo may... Ang hototay nyo may shrimp wala.
Wala.
Ang hototay nyo may shrimp wala.
Wala na. Photo
Wala
time
siya
is...
crab.
Wala.
Oo. Chicken siya na. Chicken or pork?
Mayara kami chicken hototay.
Oo. Chicken lang. Kaya hindi siya pwede sa pork.
Okay.
Chicken photo time.
Okay.
Okay. And then we'll have sa chicken the one with tofu, right? Which one was that?
Ang may tofu, ang kuwan sa fish.
Ang sa fish.
Ang sa fish cutlets, yung may tofu. Ano na siya mga fish?
Fish
Tandoori lang siya.
with tofu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that one.
Fish cutlets.
Regular. Ang regular nyo, how many people?
2 to 3 person, ma'am.
Very good na na siya. Tapos, butter chicken na lang na medium.
Okay.
Okay. And then, ang rice namon, we'll have 1 garlic rice for him. And then, yang chow nga, fried rice nga. Ang medium nyo, ano kadako?
Good for 3, ma'am. Ang regular is good for 2.
Oo, sige, ang medium na lang.
Nga
And,
yung chow fried
do you
rice.
have dim sum? Like dumplings and those kinds of
Siomai.
things?
Siomai only, ma'am.
Siomai lang.
Yes.
So may love for you.
O siya, sige. Isang serving ng siomai. Can I have a serving of siopaw also? I
Sorry,
miss
not available siya po. Siomai.
siomai lang.
Yes.
Okay. Wala tayong magawa. Okay. Do you have like a pot of jasmine tea? Hot jasmine tea?
Hot tea only, ma'am. Chinese tea.
Walang hindi jasmine?
Chinese tea lang siya.
Chinese tea? Okay, fine. It's in a pot?
Yes.
Yes.
Ang siomai mo, 1 order only, ma'am.
We'll try it first. If we like it, then we'll get more. Okay. And then, ano mo din? Shake or juice? And hototay. What else? Fish cutlet. And then, ano ka? Rice. Lumpia Shanghai.
One of the top woman.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba? Tapos nagkagwala siya sa mga newspaper.
Diba?
Yung pagbugal, kumita sa mga international. Oo. Sa akin ng mga police, I have this friend. You don't talk with her because she will, easily can
She will kick your ass.
eat your ass. Sabi ko
Diba?
sa ako na gani, kahadlok sila. Gamay lang kasi ako sa balay ko, gini-demonstrate ko. Gusto ko kitang pira. Gini-demonstrate ko lang. Not enough force pag-ali. Kung gusto ko kita gani yung mga katulanan. O siya sige. Ang mo palang nag-gani. Kasi kita ko, upod ko dito. Pinabakot ko ang friend ko. Ikaw ay naging isang chance. Oo, balik-balik ka na. Hindi mo nga puto. Ang balik-isip ko. Oo, we did years. Yes, we are.
Ano na, smile na kami.
Yeah, video. Vlogging na naman.
Karang sa gabi, magbuha na siya.
Mga 2 days from now or something. It takes time, ha? It takes time to edit, ha? Okay, ha? Couple man. Oo.
Ang mga tuntat ko sa umang lang ka. So,
Oo,
masakit sa kanyo.
Yeah, and
Sa HIV, my forever. Sa HIV, my forever.
Jaunan, the Philippine National
The Philippine National Anthem. Bye!
Sa dinakaliwan to.
Oh, diba? Diba? Ang lima kasing pintahon ng mga buhuang nagtingob dyan sa Pistim Mall. Ay, hindi Pistim Mall.
Pistim Walk.
Okay.
Diba?
Ari kami din. Diba?
Ang theme of the night sa HIV, My Forever.
And the
Yes.
Mirna has ISO, so she left early.
Doon may forever din.
Doon sa CPU.
Forever siyang stressful.
May forever siya sa CPU. Bahala ka na, Mirna. Ikaw din niya, yamuhat namon kay naglakat ka imuya.
This is what you get when people say life begins at
50! Diba? It's so nice. Ka namin, ini isang effect yak to sa mga pictures.
Liwat na naman sa piyak.
Pero naman ta, dire facing here.
Tingin na, Lucy. 1, 2. Oy, the 3Gs, oh. Diba? The 3Gs went to Hong Kong.
Kanani, galitan na ni, no? Big one. Last year when we went here, it looks different. The one hanging up there.
This one is different. Yung sigawan tao.
Hindi ang party.
Diri kami last year, there's like a, I think that's the one, yung parang may bookstore siya.
Sakto na isa lang. Dito na lang.
Tamo, ganito ka lang, ano? Living aside. And it's a Friday. Slow pa ni gani. Guro for a Friday. Amo lang yung crowd.
Hindi kay summer ni. Why
Mainit.
spend pa?
Nagkurole ng mga estudyante sa uma.
Iyak at summer
The blue
schedule.
latte is there.
There. Where do we pass? Where do we pass?
Here.
We will pass over here. Damo-damo sang music. Ano ni siya ka klaseng therapy for tinnitus.
Tinnitus.
Tinnitus. Ang naga-ringing.
Naga-ringing, yeah. Ringing, yeah.
Okay.
So you
put in the group the procedure because I have that too.
Okay. So first is you pull your ears. This one you pull it for 5 times. 5 sets of 3 sets of 5. 3 sets of 5. Okay.
Outwardly?
Outwards. Just feel
3 sets of 5.
3 sets of 5.
And then?
Okay, and then after that you massage this part for 30 seconds.
Clockwise
Outward.
direction or no
Outward.
particular direction?
No particular direction. As far as I can remember. Okay. 30 seconds.
And
And then you massage the back of your ears. This part. Massage it with 3 fingers for 1 minute.
Okay, and then?
And then do that 3 times a day or twice a day. As often as you want. And then after a few weeks or a few months, you will see the difference.
Okay.
What do you know? Bago na ko, may tinnitus. Could
Plus,
you do antibiotic pag-massage?
Okay.
It will burp you.
Ha?
Ma-burp ka.
Ha?
Yes.
Si Banofina na.